Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Hope everybody's doing good out there. Today we're looking at the daily options trade, and I'm looking at a few different stocks. Alright, today is Thursday, the 22nd. Tomorrow we have an expiration. So let's just quickly go through a few of these stocks. I got Boeing expiring tomorrow. I could be put any second because I'm deep in the money, so I might have to roll that. I'm not going to roll it today. I got this call that's right on the edge. It expires tomorrow, and we'll see how that goes tomorrow. CCIV's next month. Cleveland Cliffs. Fisker had a move up yesterday. It was pretty good. And it looks like it's doing okay today, so just going to let that ride. I might just take the stock either way. I love that company. GoEV is in May, and I do have calls in January of 2022. So I'm just hoping for a huge move upwards. I'll make some bank on that stock. Got some leaps. Grand Canyon University's in May now. Palantir's in May. Silver in May. Tesla's the end of the week. Looks like Tesla did okay yesterday, and it's coming down a little bit today. I still have a lot of faith in that stock. If I need to, I'll take it. But right now I'm up $1,600 for the week. So I'm just going to let that ride. Tattooed Chef, looking good. Anyway, nothing expiring this week. So we're just going to let that ride. The VIX, my insurance policy, that's in May. And Workhorse is also in May. So what I want to do today is go back here. We're going to look at the stocks I've been focusing on. Tattooed Chef, Workhorse, GoEV, Palantir, awesome stock, Tesla. And one I didn't add to this list yet is Coinbase. Now you guys know I have a little bit of Coinbase. Price is going down. You can see the daily chart. Let's go to a smaller chart. Alright, you can see it's definitely headed in a downward direction. Even you can see the stochastics are not favorable currently. So not really a good move right now, potentially. But here's what I do like. The options came out this week, and now they have weekly options. So right now the weekly option is trading at $10 a week. So if I sold an option every week for $10, I would make $520 for the year. So that is a pretty good deal. All right, you can see open interest here near the money is implied volatility is pretty low right now, 64%, 51%, but there's no open interest, which is very interesting to me. I know the daily options just came out today. I saw them last night. They were all zero. And I opened it up today, and I'm like, yeah, there's weeklies. That's awesome. But you can see the volume's only 87. Only 87 options. That's not a huge volume, okay? So let's compare that to Tesla. All right, so you can see the 1 week option is a little different. Well, they have earnings next week, so it's maybe not a fair comparison. All right, but you can see near the money, 512 open interest. Okay, the volume is 500, 170, 500, whatever. It's right around that area. So there's not a lot of open interest in these options yet. So I'm not going to make a trade today, but I'm keeping my eye on it. I'm definitely probably going to do it next week for a weekly, just like Tesla, and just start raking in that premium, reducing my cost, and moving forward with that. But what I am going to do today, I'm going to look at some Palantir. All right, I'm going out to May. It's $1.41. That's pretty good. Okay, I'm going to go 23, 22 and a half, 23.5. And that's going to give me $430. But I'm greedy, so I'm going to do it 2 times. So I'm going to make some good money on there because I'm super bullish on the stock long term. $849 premium. I'm going to view the order. Didn't go, so I'm going to have to replace. Try again. I don't want to go too far down. I still want to make some good money. Come on now. Wow, it's really thinly traded. It seems like I'm going right at the natural. It's still not filling. Interesting. Why is it not filling? Okay. I'm even below. Alright. I'm not sure what's going on. Let's go back to let's go back here. And usually when it's not doing that, there's not very liquid. But Palantir is a very high interest. You can see there's some liquidity here. There's a lot of volume. Well, I wouldn't say a lot of volume, but there's volume. Right? There's not like 1 or 2. Open interests is okay. I'm not really sure why it's not executing. The spreads aren't that big for the monthly. Very interesting. Very interesting. Alright, guys. Let's go back and look at the orders. Okay, it filled, finally. Took a long time, though. I'm very disappointed with that. So let's go look at the positions in Palantir. Okay, here it is. Alright. So you can see I have a whole mess of Palantir here. Alright, if I get put all these shares, I'm gonna be a lot of money into Palantir. Alright? Let's just say that. But either way, it looks like I'm making money. Made $1,000 today. That's pretty good. Alright. Riot blockchain. I do have an option expiring the end of the week. I'm going to have to probably handle that. Probably tomorrow. Because I know it's not doing great. I know Mara, Riot, they're all moving down a little. Probably people cashing out of there, going into Coinbase. Hard to say. But silver did have a little bit of a move yesterday. So that's good. Hopefully it's going to be breaking out to the upside pretty soon. You can see Tesla is expiring this week. Tattooed Chef. I really like that company. I should probably do some more puts now that it's been depressed. So let's go back and look at Tattooed Chef. It's making a little bit move upward today. That's good. That's good news. Okay, 17.5, huh? Alright. Alright, maybe I'm not going to do anything in it today. Let's take a look at the chart for a minute. Yeah, see it's coming off the bottom. Stochastic's looking good. This definitely has support around this level, around 15-ish. Definitely has support 16, 17, 18. So you can see it bounced off the 16 support level. That's good. So it definitely has support at 15, so those options are pretty cheap. So if I would sell 45, if I sell 50 cents a month for a year, still pretty good profit. 50%. Yeah, I'm not willing to do that though. I'm going to do a 17.5. I'll do that. Alright. I'll do a 17.5, sure. Why not? I want to get paid though. And I'm going to do 2. Alright, another $300. I'll take that. Alright guys, that's it for today. and that's the daily options trade. We made about $1,000 today. It's not bad. Alright guys, let me know what you guys are doing in the markets today in the comments below. Remember to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm, and subscribe to my channel for the daily options trade, crypto, cryptocurrency news, and wealth building techniques for the long haul. Alright guys, thanks for watching.